Hell or heaven? Where will you go? Welcome all of you to this video. Today's topic is hell or heaven. Where will you go? There are more than 170 references in the Bible, in the New Testament of the Bible. Among the 170 references regarding hell, more than 70 references are given by Jesus Christ himself while he was living in the world. Among those references, we can see one reference from the Bible today. Jesus describes a picture of heaven and hell in that reference. It is written in a passage. We can see that passage from the Bible today. It is found in the book of Luke, chapter 16, verse 19 to 31. I shall read it. You can listen it and you can understand it. The rich man and Lazarus. There was a rich man who was dressed in purple and fine linen and lived in luxury every day. At his gate was laid a beggar named Lazarus, covered with sores and longing to eat what fell from the rich man's table. Even the dogs came and licked his sores. The time came when the beggar died, and the angels carried him to Abraham's side. The rich man also died and was buried. In Hades, where he was in torment, he looked up and saw Abraham far away with Lazarus by his side. So he called to him, "Father Abraham, have pity on me, and send Lazarus to dip the tip of his finger in water and cool my tongue, because I am in agony in this fire." But Abraham replied, "Son, remember that in your lifetime you received your good things, while Lazarus received bad things. But now he is comforted here and you are in agony. And besides all this, between us and you a great chasm has been set in place, so that those who want to go from here to you cannot, nor can anyone cross over from there to us." He answered, "Then I beg you, Father, send Lazarus to my family, for I have 5 brothers. Let him warn them, so that they will not also come to this place of torment." Abraham replied, "They have Moses and the prophets. Let them listen to them." "No, Father Abraham," he said, "but if someone from the dead goes to them, they will repent." He said to him, "If they do not listen to Moses and the prophets, they will not be convinced even if someone rises from the dead." Here, Jesus describes a picture of heaven and hell. There was a rich man living in one city. luxurious life he led in the world. In front of the gate of his house, there was lying a beggar called Lazarus. He was lying in front of the gate of the rich man with the sores on his body, and he was longing to eat the food remains fell from the table of the rich man. The street dogs came there and licked his wounds and sores on his body. The time came, days passed. When the time came, the Lazarus, the beggar, died. Angels came there, carried him to heaven, and he was sitting nearby the side of Abraham, the father who was found in the Bible, historical father who was found in the Bible is called Abraham. The beggar went to heaven and he is sitting nearby that father, historical father Abraham, taking rest, peacefully enjoying life there. Rich man also died. He was buried. He went to hell and he was lying in the midst of ever burning fire, eternal fire, suffering great pain and agony. While he was lying and suffering with agony in the terrible fire of hell, the rich man looked up. Then he found Lazarus, the beggar who was sitting nearby the historical father of Bible, Abraham. The rich man found Abraham and Lazarus sitting in heaven in the high place. Then rich man called Abraham, "O Father Abraham, please have mercy on me and send Lazarus to me to dip his tip of his finger in water and cool my tongue. I am in great agony in the midst of fire." Rich man replied. Rich man called and requested Abraham to do this thing. Then Abraham replied, "O son, when you were living in the world, you received all the good things. But Lazarus did not receive any good things. He received only bad things in the world. He did not enjoy anything in the world. You enjoyed everything in the world. Not only that, we cannot come to there and no one can come from there to us. In between you and us there is a great pit, great chasm. We cannot cross that chasm from here to there and no one from there to here." Then rich man asked Father Abraham, "If it is so, please send Lazarus to the world and warn my brothers in the world. I have 5 brothers in my family. Send Lazarus to the world and warn them so that they will not come to this place of torment." Rich man requested Father Abraham to do this thing. Then Abraham replied, "They have Moses and the prophets. They can listen to Moses and the prophets." Then rich man said, "No, Father Abraham, if someone rises from the dead and goes there, they will listen to him." Then Abraham replied, "If they do not listen to Moses and the prophets, they will not be convinced even if someone rises from the dead." Abraham replied like this. From this picture it is clear, for the rich men of the world, it's very difficult, very, very difficult. While you were living, while you are living in the world, you must live accordingly. Utilize the richness, utilize your wealth for the right purpose.